Hi guys, how you all are doing today? I hope you all are fine. So today I'm going to discuss about the word building process and word formation. Okay, so and I will definitely I will be discussing the important part, the important factor, and also the crucial parts and crucial rules of word formation, and that can assist you a lot. I hope you will be till the end of the video, and I am sure that after just hearing me properly, that you will be able to understand what word formation is. Okay, so come on, I my request to you, please stay till the end of the video. Okay, so now first of all, the first question that we have to know, that is what formation is, and what building process is actually. So what building process is nothing but this is a kind of actual process, or it is a kind of means in which we try to produce a new words, or in the written language, what we can say, you can also write in your exam paper, that is, it is a kind of process in which new forms are formed, or new words are produced, either by modification of an existing word or by complete innovation, and which in turn become the part of language. That is word formation. Okay, and word formation process. So now the second question that is very much crucial, and it can be asked in your exam also, that is, what is etymology? So etymology, what is etymology? So it is nothing but it is actually the study of the origin and history of a word. It is called its etymology. Okay, I'm just repeating again. So etymology is nothing but etymology is a kind of study in which we are just investing the origin and history of a word. That is etymology. I hope it is clear to you. So in written language, what you can write, you can simply write that etymology is the study of the origin and history of a word, and it is called its etymology. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you now. So let's come to the type of uh, word formation and word building process. The types of word formation and word building process. So basically we will get two major types, that is inflection and derivation. Okay, so now we have to understand what is inflection, what is derivation. So while we are just why we are making any kind of new word or trying to form new words, so the process going through these two technique. Okay, either by inflection or derivation. Okay, so now what is inflection? Inflection is a word building process. Inflection is a kind of word building process in which what we can see, just a word is modified to express uh, grammatical variants, or grammatical orders, or categories of a word. Suppose I'm gonna exemplify you, that can make you clear. Okay, that is actually, suppose there is a word that is watch. Okay, suppose watch. So in inflection, what we do, just watches, just for third person saying, he watches TV, right? He watches the TV, right? So there, if we can see that watches, we have just modified the verb, modifies the verb because of third person singular number. We have used s after watches, right? So what that is the kind of modification that we have done with the watch. So it is called inflection, and in inflection, the never the meaning doesn't change. Okay, meaning doesn't change in inflection. Meanwhile, if we are talking about derivation, in derivation we will get to see that just the meaning can be changed. Okay, and basically it is a kind of process in which new forms or new words are formed, uh, often by adding prefix or suffix. with this word, okay, with the new or the root word, okay. So what is root word? Root word is a nothing. Root word is the main word. Suppose eat, it is the root word, okay. And now if you are using eaten, okay, or eating, ing, you are using ing, so suffix there, okay. So that is actually the suffix of eat, okay. Eating, ing is the suffix of eat. So the main root word, or that is also called the free um, free morpheme, okay. Free morpheme, 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 free morpheme, okay. So free morpheme is a root word, okay. So that is actually derivation is the process of forming a new word from an existing word, often by adding a prefix or suffix such as an, like justice and justice, okay. So this kind of an is actually prefix. So now let's come to inflection. So what is inflection? I told you previously that it is a kind of word formation in which a word is modified to express the grammatical categories or different grammatical categories, such as its tense, gender, aspect, person, number, etc. Okay. Suppose I'm just telling you that no he or I make a mistake, okay. I make a mistake. Now if I say he makes a mistake, then what I have to use? Makes, not make, right? Because third person singular number. So I have changed the word make, okay. I have changed the word and use is after make. So what I'm just doing, I'm just changing the word, and it is, you can see that just I'm modifying the verb there, okay. And makes come out from the modification. So it is also a kind of word formation process, okay. And it is considered to be inflection process. So now let's come back to the process, let's come back to the major word formation process. Major word formation processes, okay. So the first that we will get, that is abbreviation, okay. So now what is abbreviation? That is actually, abbreviation is nothing, that is actually when we are just trying to shorten a word, when a word is just truncated, or just when we try to make a word shorter, then it is called, the process is called abbreviation. So now abbreviation is also divided into three parts. Abbreviation is also divided into three parts. That is the first thing that we will get, that is acronym, acronym, okay. Acronym. So what is acronym and what is the process of acronym? So when we are just trying to form a new word from the formal letter, or the beginning letter of some existing words, then it is called acronym.